In this video we will see the notations in a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So this is a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It has 6 sides: up, right, left, bottom and back. This is, so we will say R for right, L for left, U for up, F for front, D for down and B for back. So this is the right layer, up layer, left layer, down layer and back layer. So when I move the right layer in the clockwise direction like this is clockwise direction, we will call it R. So R means right clockwise. When we move it in the anti-clockwise direction, we will call it R prime. So R prime. Then U is always the upside of the cube, upside. U prime. This is always U prime. Now, so when you hold the cube steady like this, whatever side that is facing the front of you or in front, which is in front of you, that is the front side. It's always that side which is in front of you. So this is F. When I move this side to clockwise direction, this is F. When I move it to anti-clockwise direction, this is F prime. So this is F prime. Similarly, when I move the left side, this one, to clockwise direction, this is clockwise direction. So this is called L. This is L prime, opposite of L. Moving the left layer anti-clockwise direction, L prime. This is the down layer. When we move it to clockwise direction, this is D. This is D prime. D prime. Similarly for the back side is opposite of front. This is front, this is back. So when we move the back side like this is B. This is B prime. Thank you.